In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit a sitemap in Google Search Console. We're going to walk through a quick and important task that helps Google understand the structure of your website and discover your pages more efficiently. Submitting your sitemap is a simple process, and once it's done, it can make it easier to monitor how Google is interacting with your site content over time. To get started, open a new tab in Google Chrome and go to Google Search Console. Once the page loads, sign in if needed, and make sure you're in the correct account that has access to your website. After that, select your verified website property. This is important because you want to submit the sitemap to the exact site version you're managing, so take a moment to confirm you've chosen the right property before moving on. Next, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Sitemaps. This section is specifically designed for submitting and reviewing sitemap files, and it's where you can also check whether Google has successfully processed what you submit. When you're on the sitemaps page, find the field labeled for adding a new sitemap. In that input box, type sitemap.xml. This is the most common sitemap file name for many websites. Be sure to enter it exactly as shown, with no extra spaces, so the path is clean and correct. Once that's entered, click Submit. Google Search Console will then begin processing the sitemap. In most cases, this happens quickly, but it's still a good idea to confirm that everything was accepted properly rather than assuming it went through without any issues. After you submit it, refresh the page. This gives Search Console a chance to update the visible status, then check the sitemap listing and look for a green success badge. That green status confirms that Google was able to fetch and recognize your sitemap successfully. If you see that success message, you're done. Your sitemap has been submitted correctly, and Google can now use it as a reference for crawling your site. As a helpful tip, it's worth checking this section again occasionally, especially after major site updates, to make sure the sitemap continues to process without errors. That's all it takes to submit a sitemap in Google Search Console. Once you know where to click, the process is fast, straightforward, and easy to repeat whenever needed.